Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. My name is David Wilkerson and this is Surplus Funds 101. Today, in this video, I'm going to go over how you can get a free website using Google My Business. It's actually pretty cool. I get a lot of direct messages from people and it seems like the bulk of them come and people are asking me questions about how to get things done in the most affordable or free way possible. And so here's a little hack for you guys if you guys don't want to ever pay for a website or hosting or anything like that. It's actually really, really simple and easy. And so I'm going to go over that here in a minute. But I wanted to start off by saying thank you to all the guys and gals out there who have liked the video, sent them to a friend, left a PayPal donation, a Venmo donation, a Cash App donation. Those are huge and they're starting to stack up. Really, really gratefully appreciative of all those things. Another little side note, you guys, I've been cooped up and I haven't gone on a vacation in a few months and I want to get out of my state and I want to come meet you guys. And so what I want to do is fly to somebody's house and then help them set up not only their ship station, but their cold calling station as well. I'm going to do it for free. If it's something that would interest you, in the comment below, just kind of type your name and where you live and why I should pick you. I'm going to do it for free. I'm going to pay for the plane ticket. I'm going to pay for the hotel, everything. Probably spend a couple hours at your house or wherever your business is at, helping you out. And it'll be a win-win for everybody. But with that being said, I'm going to get right into this video with you guys. Here's the instructions on how to do it. The very first thing you'd want to do is go to GoDaddy and buy a domain name. I mean, you can go to name.com or whatever domain provider you have can probably do it. I use GoDaddy. So you'd want to go to GoDaddy and then purchase a domain name. Okay. Second thing you'd want to do is you just want to go to this website right here, google.com/mybusiness, and you would create a business location. Now there's two different ways you can do that. You can either have a digital one or a physical location. Either or both are going to require you to have a verification. And the digital ones, you guys, nobody really knows the difference. And when it comes to your surplus website, people aren't going to judge you if it's a storefront or a digital one. They'll just give you a little bit more credibility and make you look kind of larger than you really are. And you're not being dishonest or anything like that, but it's just a different way to bring people or give people the opportunity to kind of research you while they're doing their due diligence. So you guys, you go to the google.com/mybusiness website, you go and create a business location, and then a card is going to come in the mail. Usually takes 3 to 5 business days. When that card shows up, okay, you're just going to verify the account, punch the numbers in to the website that the card tells you, and then you'll just go to the back office of Google My Business account. It's right here, and this is the link that they're going to give you. You're going to want to copy and paste that, and you'll bring it right over here to the back office of your domain provider. And in the back here of GoDaddy, in the manage DNS area, there's a forwarding link. You just drop that right there, click add, save, and you guys are good to go. But you guys, I know myself, I'm not the most tech savvy person. And so the idea of building a website, hiring a developer, getting somebody to do the ad copy, finding somebody to do the hosting, hooking it all up, it's really, really confusing. And this is super, super, super easy. It'll be a basic website, but that's really all you need. You don't need really to have a squeeze page because you're not probably going to be sending anybody to a squeeze page to collect their information because you're already going to have them as a lead. But another cool thing this will do is it'll give you insights on how many people are Googling you, searching you, things like that. Another thing it allows you to do is have people leave you reviews. And that's probably the best thing for this website, you guys. Have people leave you reviews. You can use them as social proof. And all the people that are potentially thinking about doing business with you can see it and help you out. I need to be a lot better at getting reviews on here. And as you guys can tell, I mean, I don't really have a whole lot of reviews. It really hasn't stopped me from pulling down monster accounts or consistent accounts all the time. But with that being said, you guys, this is the low and skinny. It's super easy. Probably would take you less than 15 minutes to do. Other than that, you guys have a great day and take care of yourself. Bye-bye.